told you. She was batshit crazy.
Yeah, you did, but seriously, how was I supposed to know that?
Are you serious?
Yeah. What?
Boyo. She's a redhead. Redheads are fucking crazy!
Oh, come on, Sean. That's not an answer. That's just stereotyping. An offensive one at that. Or is it now? Well then,
Prove me wrong.